Going to probably add some roses to this side. Another thing that you'll want to do when you're making an arrangement is to leave the leaves on the stem. That adds some texture to your arrangement. It also helps fill in the space. There are occasions that it's okay to take off the leaves. In the example of the hydrangeas, those flowers are already so large that you really don't need the greenery to support them. It's okay if it's on there, but you'll just have to judge based to your taste. But don't be afraid to leave the leaves on the stems. And I'm just using my wire cutters to trim this.